Hello, my name is Max. This is Bildr. Check this out. This stuff is unbelievable. So this is Bildr. It is a no-code app, product builder, right? I've talked to you about a few of these before. You can build websites with this as well. It is insane what you can create. So you can even build Chrome extensions, which is a new thing, which is just like mind-blowing. So you can build apps, right? You can build apps, websites, all these different things completely visually without programming whatsoever at all. It's going to take a while to completely learn how this all functions, but I guarantee it works. It's beautiful. It's unbelievable. You can build software products. Chrome, this is possibly, and I haven't dived into this completely, this is possibly the most advanced app, website, no-code builder that I've seen on the market today. It's really, really wild. Of course, it's very difficult to use, and they don't have too much educational resources yet. So I expect things to get better, and I expect them to create a little bit more so it's a bit more accessible. But, my God, it blows me away. I think the story that they have is they actually built the builder itself. So the builder that you use for the tool, like when you're building things, they built that on Bildr. They cloned Bildr with their own tool. It was that insane. Wow. I can't even really go into this, but I'm trying to learn this really, really intensely. I'm trying to dive deep into this because I think it has an enormous amount of flexibility and just limitless functionality, as they say here. But if you want a new wonderful app builder that can do a crazy amount of stuff, go check out Bildr. It's really cool. Heck yeah. Sorry that was a lame explanation. I'll see you in the next episode.